We are going to see how to add a username to the Docker. So we have a command called get indent. So it is get group. So with this you can see all the groups, username and the group. So now I am going to check whether Docker is there here. So Docker is not there. So first we are going to add the group. We'll add a group, add Docker. So this should add, we need a permission. So I have added. Now if you check this command, see we have added. We have not attached to the particular user. So you can see the number of users. So user is Ubuntu. So how to add it to the particular user? Sudo user mode -a capital G and then Docker and then Ubuntu. So with this command, see now we have added Docker to the Ubuntu user. So this is how you can add Docker to the particular user.